guys, your girl here, Maginim. I If this is your first time to watch my videos, please subscribe to my channel, like, comment, share, and tell me how you feel about my video. So today I want to show you how to wash clothes in a stream or in a river. Okay, but as for me now, I'm using a stream. This is a stream here. If you can see, this is a stream, and this is the clothes that I'm gonna wash. You're getting it? So guys, stay tuned. Let's wash together. First of all, you just fetch water here. You make sure you have a bucket. What do we call it? This bucket to fetch water. Yes, guys, let's do this. I don't know this one. Come on, toy. this towel I had given my brother. He said he don't want because it's too heavy. Even to wash, to use it's too good, but to wash it's kind of work. Oh, I don't know what happened up there because the water is not clean. Oh, jeez. Look at it. And I haven't finished to wash the clothes, but I'm almost finishing. Oh my, oh my, oh my, oh my. But I thank God. I thank God, I thank God, I thank God. Because I am almost finishing. But you know, in the village, like right now, the big, the bigger difference is there's no hanging lines. So we are doing it. We call it kienyeji cut. You can imagine washing clothes and the water looks like that. You don't know who just poured water up there. But I'll use it the way it is because I don't have light clothes. I mean, bright clothes. Clothes that have bright colors, you know. The only clothes that are remaining are these dark. Yes, yes, guys. Subscribe, guys. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Subscribe, like, comment. And tell me, how do you feel about the videos that you normally see in my channel? Tell me what I should upgrade or what I should not upgrade. You know, it is what it is. That person who had spoiled the water, they did a very big mistake. You shouldn't do that. Oh, and I'm feeling hungry. Mom don't know, doesn't know how if I mean, my mom don't know if I had washed her things. Guys, this is how we normally hang them. The sun is doing its work. Yeah. Yeah. Until to this corner. Oh, I hope my lesson had. Okay, it's fine. So, guys, this is how we do it. This is how. So after this, I'm gonna pick them one by one. I don't want to wait for them because it will take all my time. So I'm gonna take one lasso, and wrap them with this lasso, yeah, the one that I'm making here. So this is how I'm gonna do it, because me, I don't want to wait for them to dry up. Yeah. They will go to be dried at home. This is to avoid to fetch water, to carry water. Or imagine washing clothes. How much water will you be using washing all these clothes? One jerry can to another. They'll be dried at home. This is what we're doing, guys. I'm tired, I'm hungry. At least they have dry water up. Oh, holy Lord. If I had time and if I wasn't feeling hungry, I wouldn't even pick them like right now. But now I'm feeling hungry. I'm feeling hungry. I want to go eat something because I came here at like, I don't know if it was like 9 a.m. or something. I had washed even the shoes here. You guy, my guy. This is not tires. It's not making someone something. You know. But if I had fetched water and washed the clothes, that will be a very, 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 very tiresome work. This is how we do it in Africa, guys. As much as you'll be clean, you're good to go. Imagine all these clothes. You fetch water and then wash them. How tired would I be if I had fetched water and then so I'll pick them there. So let me go pick my clothes. Yeah, this is how we do it, guys.